What up, y'all, and welcome to Travel and Eat with Mike Lil. Today we're on the hunt for some cheap eats in Sydney, checking out some awesome Groupon deals we found. Let's see if these bargains are really worth it. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to Travel and Eats with Mike and Lil. It's a beautiful day here in Sydney today. We're out and about. We're going to jump onto the train, head into the city and find something to eat. Let's go. There's a lot of people out today. It is packed. But we're going to go to World Square, which is just at the next block. Let's go. So guys, this is Daniel's in World Square. If you're ever looking for a good donut pie deal place, especially if you're from New Zealand, we're going to try the New Zealand style pies to see if they match, but we'll let you know once we're sitting down somewhere and eating. So they have New Zealand style beef and cheese pie, as well as New Zealand style chunky steak and cheese pie, as well as New Zealand style potato top. So I've come here for their cream donuts. They don't have the raspberry jam one like the normal New Zealand style ones, so I'm going to just maybe grab whatever flavour they've got. So these are not fresh cream donuts, they are custard filled donuts or cream cheesecake sort of filled donuts. And they also have cookies, and these are humongous, so we're going to grab some cookies as well. Hey everyone, so we are situated in the middle of World Square where everyone is walking past around us and looking. But anyway, we got another Groupon deal here today with Daniel's, and it was $29.99.
I don't know how much it was.
Yeah, it was $29.99. And you get three pies, 3 humongous cookies. Right, look at that. As big as my face. And 3 donuts, as well as 3 drinks. And it can be any drink on their menu, just not those specialty drinks like the pistachio flavored drinks. But that is 4 items for 3 people. So we're going to get into it, and yeah, let's go. So just wanted to point out too, they sell, like I said earlier in the video, they sell New Zealand style pies. So we're going to try them to see how they compare. So I got the mince. They call them beef, not mince. Here, darling.
That's a steak one.
That's Shay's. Give that to her. I got the beef and cheese, which is mince and cheese, but that is my pie. Nice texture on the pastry. Grab yours. But with mine, I got a pie, a donut. I got the Biscoff donut. I got a salted caramel white chocolate cookie, and a flat white. So that is what. These are all literally $10 per person, everything that we've got on here.
Yeah, pie, donut, cookie, and a drink. Can't get better than that than $10. But I got a steak and cheese. Lord have mercy.
This is actually quite good.
Man. You can actually smell the butter from the pie.
Yeah, the pastry's good, eh?
Man, this is different. Wow.
What's your steak pieces like? I still haven't got cheese.
Take that out.
This is actually really nice. Hey,
Crumbly everywhere.
just the top though.
I got these crumbs everywhere on myself.
I still don't have cheese though, but it's actually quite nice.
Not sure
It's
what
not
the
like,
steak is like. Check out that cheese right there. See that cheese up there?
I think what the real highlight for this is the pastry. It's really good.
Yeah.
It is very much like a New Zealand pie. The filling, you know, this reminds me of the BP pies back in New Zealand. The Z pies. Oh,
Yeah, they are. And there's a lot of cheese in this.
I still don't have cheese, but it's still nice. I'm quite enjoying this, to be honest.
Yes.
Did it have big chunky pieces of steak?
No. They're kind of small pieces. Not big chunks like they do in New Zealand. But
I think their
It's a nice
cheese,
pie.
that's their cheese. Hey,
no, my cheese is on the inside.
I
Theirs
think
is on
mine
top.
is on the top. Only because I bit the pastry off the top and that's where I tasted all the cheese. But this is actually quite nice. I really like it. Oh no, there's the cheese.
She just bit the wrong end of the pie.
There's the cheese and the beef and cheese pie. There's not much, but I'm not complaining. Everything that we've got literally costs $2.50. Because $30 is $10 for 3 people. So this literally costs $2.50. What a deal. I really like this. You want to try that one?
Really flaky.
The pastry is so good.
I got crumbs all over me. Lord have mercy.
Yummy, eh? There's the cheese there. This tastes like a... Well, this is the best mince pie. I'm going to call it mince because that's how I'm familiar with it. But this is the best one I've tasted. That besides Kathy's pie.
Kathy's pie.
So Kathy's
Oh,
pie
nice.
pies are delicious because the texture on the pie isn't crumbly like most. But this one's very close to that. It's so good. So we also got some donuts. I got the Biscoff one, Sharita got the pistachio, and Mike got the blueberry. Shall we try your one first?
Yeah.
Wow, they feel like the New Zealand, the cream donuts in the New Zealand bakery. So that is the blueberry and cheesecake filling, eh? That's what it was. Yeah, so it's
Oh, just custard.
blueberry and cheesecake filling. They're all got cheesecake filling.
Oh,
I'm guessing it's like a custardy cheesecake type. So that's it there. They feel like the New Zealand donuts in the New Zealand bakeries. Let's go. This is so good. That donut is amazing. It's just like the New Zealand donut. The donuts in the bakery in New Zealand. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm in awe of that donut. That is so good. Yummy. Hold on. Like, it's just a little bit different because the filling isn't fresh cream, but it's a
and
nice.
the blueberry is not all the way through. It's like blueberry jam on top. Man, that is so good. Wow.
And the whipping cream in there is a mixture of cream cheese, custard. It's so yummy, but it's heavy. Like the cream in there is heavy, eh? The one in the New Zealand donuts are quite light, if you like it compared to that. But that is so good.
Man,
So good.
that's so good.
So, last but not least, the donut cookies. These are huge. This is a salted caramel and white chocolate cookie. I'm just showing you the cookie, but I'm gonna eat the one that's half broken. Oh, your one's half broken too.
That's okay.
But I'm gonna go in and try this.
Less work I got to do when I'm eating it.
It's quite nice. It's got a nice caramel taste. Look, it's a cookie. It's a nice caramel cookie with white chocolate.
Here we go. Chocolate chip heaven, people. Chocolate chip heaven.
Is it? You like it? Try my one. It's a bit very caramelly. So you might not like it because you're not a real caramel fan. Your one's good.
Oh, it's so good. I can eat this. It's like a real soft cookie. And I love soft cookies. Oh my gosh. Some cookies, they are hard, but I love the soft ones. Wow. That's a nice cookie.
I'm stuffed. I've got a sugar rush, a meat rush. But guys, if you're ever in Sydney and you're looking for, and you're in the city and you're looking for a really good deal that is more than just 2 items, and you do use Groupon, try the Daniel Groupon deal. It's $30 and you get 4 items, a pie, a cookie, a donut and a drink. It's a massive and amazing deal, eh?
Yes, it is. Chocolate chip.
But we are going to go to one more spot. We're actually just sitting outside it on the tables. It is a frozen yogurt, -7, that's what it's called. We're going to go and grab us a frozen yogurt, and then we better walk this off. So we're at World Square. We might end up walking to Circular Quay. Anyway, we'll go and get our frozen yogurt. We'll show you what we've got, and then we'll get on for the rest of this video. So we're now at -7, which is a frozen yogurt spot. But look at this weekend deal that they have. When you buy one, you get another one for free. So I actually wanted frozen yogurt above anything else that we've had today so far. And I again jumped onto Groupon to see what was available, and -7 had a deal. So I'll show you what that deal is once our frozen yogurt comes out.
Fill it up.
Hey everyone, so we got our frozen yogurt. So this mixture is plain frozen yogurt.
No, that's pistachio frozen yogurt. And
There's little cookies in it.
Cookies.
Have you had enough cookie? It's got cookies, waffle, mochi, little mochi pieces. Is that it? And Biscoff crumbs. Biscoff.
Yeah, pronunciation ain't good today.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and try it. I'm gonna try the frozen yogurt. I've never tried pistachio frozen yogurt before. Wow, that's good. Man, that's got a nice, rich flavour. I want to try one of these mochis. Yum.
That's nice.
This pistachio frozen yogurt's really delicious.
No, thank you. I'm full. I can't have any more. I'm done. I'm done for the day. I gotta go walk all these other cookies and donuts and.
So this deal was how much? We paid Anyway, I've got it up on the screen. You pay so much, and it gives you so much to spend in store. So the great thing is, if you're ever here in World Square and you're looking for places to eat, definitely check out Daniel's, especially if there's 3 of you. Come to -7, especially on a Saturday and Sunday, where you can buy one and you get the second one free. So that is a good deal.
Yes, it is.
So guys, we're at Noodle Your Ways in World Square, and they have these pre-packed meals, which are pretty good deals. And these ones are $9.50, which are really good. This must be a favourite place for a lot of people because it's packed and people keep coming in.
We had to come and show you this so y'all can get into...
Have some ideas of places to go to wherever you're around Sydney.
Anyway, I want to thank y'all for sticking with us, being with us, and enjoying this day. And on that note, we're going to love and leave you from here. But before we go, hit that subscribe button if you ain't a subscriber. Also, get that bell notification, let you know when we're putting out some more stuff. Also, give us a thumbs up to let you know that you enjoy this type of content. But on that note, we're going to love you. We appreciate you. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all stay blessed. And we're going to see y'all from Traveling Eat with Mike Lil. Peace.
Peace.